Makita Impact XPS bits are designed to handle the high torque demands of professional users in all trades, lasting up to 90 times longer than standard bits. Makita has perfected the torsion zone with Impact XPS. Here, an Impact XPS PH2 2-inch power bit is tested against a standard bit. The first standard bit fails just after 7/100ths of a second. The second standard bit starts and fails while Makita Impact XPS continues to hold. Pulse torsion rings disperse impact energy through the torsion zone and off the bit tip. The torsion zone has been optimized to flex under load to transfer impact energy. Together, the pulse torsion rings and torsion zone help improve bit life, lasting up to 90 times longer than standard bits.